everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that many of you have asked me about online MBA versus offline MBA. If you are confused about which one to choose, stick around because I'll break it down for you. Let's start with flexibility. An online MBA is super flexible. You can learn from anywhere, your home, your office, or even while traveling. It's perfect if you are juggling work or personal responsibilities. Now, let's talk about interaction. In an online MBA, you interact with professors and classmates through virtual platforms like Zoom or forums. It is convenient but might lack the personal touch of face to face conversation. In an offline MBA, you get in person discussions, group projects, and those spontaneous campus conversations that can really build strong relationships. Let's get real. Cost is a big factor for many of us. An online MBA is generally more affordable. You save on travel, accommodation, and sometimes even tuition. What about the learning environment? With an online MBA, you need to be super self disciplined. It's great if you are an independent learner, but it can be challenging without a traditional classroom vibe. In an online MBA, you are in classroom with professors and peers which can help you stay focused and motivated. Now, this is a big one, networking opportunities. An online MBA offers virtual networking through webinars, discussion boards, and online events. It's effective but might not feel as personal. With an offline MBA, you get to meet people face to face during group projects, campus events, and coffee breaks. These connections can sometimes make all the difference in your career. Finally, let's talk about recognition and value. The good news is that online MBAs are becoming more respected, especially if they are from top institutions. But an offline MBA, especially from a reputed college, can still carry more weight in traditional industries where in person learning is valued. So, which one should you choose? It all comes down to your goals and priorities. If you need flexibility and affordability, an online MBA is a great option. But if you are looking for a full campus experience and a stronger face to face networking, then an offline MBA might be way to go. No matter which one you choose, remember it's not just about the degree, it's about how you choose the knowledge and connections you gain to grow in your career. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. And let me know in the comments, are you team online MBA or team offline MBA? Let's discuss. See you in the next video. Bye bye.